So, the big day is here. Royal Challengers Bengaluru versus Chennai Super Kings at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru. If you revisit what happened last time around, it was all RCB and it was a day to rejoice for RCB fans when they defeated CSK to qualify for the playoffs last season around. And this season, things are very different. How? Because Chennai Super Kings are lying at the bottom of the table. Things have not gone right for them. They have already been eliminated from the IPL 2025 and are no longer in the playoff race. And it is weird because of the kind of success that CSK has achieved over the years. To see them lie at the bottom of the points table, eliminated after just 10, 11 matches in this IPL league stage, it is a bit weird feeling. But for RCB, it's completely contrasting. Why? Because they are in the top half of the table, top four, and are fighting pretty hard and pretty strongly for the top two finish. Last time around, RCB went on to clinch that final league game against CSK, and we saw the kind of celebrations in the streets of Bengaluru all night. People were out there partying and celebrating on RCB win. But this time around, it is all going to be once again about Virat Kohli meeting MS Dhoni. Will it be the last time? We don't know yet. In the previous seasons, whenever Danny Morrison has cheekily asked MS Dhoni during the toss or during the post-match presentation whether it is going to be his last season or not, whether he is going to turn up once again next season. MS Dhoni has been pretty firm and pretty much confirmed his status for the next season. But this time around, a couple of matches before, when Danny Morrison cheekily asked MS Dhoni whether he is going to turn up once again next season around, MS Dhoni was not sure. He said, "I am not sure about whether about the next season," and these are the exact words of MS Dhoni. So we don't know whether MS Dhoni will be there next time when Chennai Super Kings take on RCB in IPL 2026. But we are sure that he is going to be there this time around, and whether this will be the last time Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni will be facing each other in a cricket field, we don't know yet. But fans, RCB fans, MS Dhoni fans, CSK fans, they will surely rejoice this opportunity to witness two of the greatest of all times of Indian cricket take on each other on the field. For Royal Challengers Bengaluru, things have clicked pretty much in every department. If you see Virat Kohli is in the race for the orange cap, and if you look at how Phil Salt has supported him in that aggressor's role, it has been pretty much phenomenal. Rajat Patidar's form has dipped slightly, but he still remains one of the best captains in this IPL season, and he will look to contribute more with the bat as well. Krunal Pandya, he has been very clever with the ball, but his last innings, where he scored a blistering half century to support Virat Kohli in that partnership and make RCB win that game. Krunal Pandya clicking with the bat, Tim David contributing pretty strongly with the bat down the order. The batting department looks pretty much strong for Royal Challengers Bengaluru. For bowlers, Bhuvneshwar Kumar has been doing the job with the new ball at the death, and Josh Hazelwood has been the sharpshooter for Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And this RCB side looks different, and I think. Dinesh Karthik's presence, the support staff, how people have rallied around Rajat Patidar, the captain. I think it has looked like a different RCB side altogether in this IPL season. And if we talk about Chennai Super Kings, things are completely different. Ruturaj Gaikwad, their main captain, was ruled out of the tournament due to a hairline fracture on his elbow. Yes, people got to see MS Dhoni leading Chennai Super Kings once again, his post-match presentations, but in terms of results, things have not changed for Chennai Super Kings. Yes, Sam Curran contributed with the bat, but their openers, they have tried the youngsters as well. They have done pretty much everything they could have done, but things have not clicked for them. Be it Sheikh Rashid's form, Ayush Matre started the IPL pretty strongly, but then big scores have not come. Sam Curran scored a half century in the last game, but again, consistency is something which is lacking from in CSK's department with the ball as well. Mahesh Theekshana is not there anymore, but Matisha Pathirana, the other Sri Lankan pacer, the slinger, has not delivered at all for Chennai Super Kings. He has been pretty rusty and has been delivering loose deliveries all time around in the course of this IPL 2025. With the ball, Ravindra Jadeja has been there. Noor Ahmed's form has also tapered off. Arshul Kamboj has been the lone shining star in that CSK bowling unit. But apart from that, the lack of wickets, the lack of penetration in opposition's batting unit, that has clearly hurt Chennai Super Kings in the bowling department. But MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, two peers who respect each other a lot. Virat Kohli has always found MS Dhoni as his guidance, as his shining light whenever things have gone wrong for him or has not gone right for him. But this time around, Chennai Super Kings will try to be the party spoilers for Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Yes, at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, RCB has not looked to deliver consistent results. They have not had the best of home results, but against this lackluster Chennai Super Kings, they will look to register a win and, of course, push their case for the top two finish. Can they do it, or will MS Dhoni's Chennai Super Kings be the party spoilers? That remains to be seen. But yes, come this evening, this will be a match which everyone will look forward to, and of course, that battle, that meet up between Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni on the field. Will it be the last time? What do you think? Do let us know in the comment section below and keep following Rip Sports for more.